My friends.
No, like Abhi has started, so it shows recording that. I don't know. If Tanisha, if this stops beach mein, then it's not my fault, huh?
Yeah, okay. No, actually, I'm going to blame you, Tanya. You're responsible.
Now you're learning, Tanisha. Even you,
I started. Tanisha
Look at Tanisha.
No, Kusum has to start. Kusum has to do the introduction.
No, everyone.
What is the line?
You
What
only
is
do
the
it.
introduction?
You only do.
What is the line?
Hey guys, it's Tanisha Parikh.
Tanisha Parikh.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Please like, share, and
If you're new here, it's still Tanisha Parikh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, start.
That you do na thoda kaam, Tanisha. What the hell?
Yeah, na.
Oh my god, this is going to be embarrassing.
Obviously.
You only wanted to do this. Embarrassing, man.
Fine.
Do, jaldi.
Abbe, bol na.
Yeah, do it. Wait, I need some motivation here.
She needs to get into character.
Yeah.
I'm going to laugh like real bad when it starts.
Go, Tanisha.
Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. Question 1. Who's most likely to risk their life for something stupid?
No one.
Shut up and just write your answer. You don't need to say it loud. No.
Everyone.
Acha, for something stupid. What is the word?
Who's most likely to risk their life for something stupid?
Oh wow, this is
this Sita?
Wow.
Is this Sita?
The same thing happening.
Arey, my phone hangs.
Because
I'm saying Dash.
हमेशा कौन बोलता है कि live life on the edge ना?
Shut up. No.
So Sanya, that's round 1.
Okay.
Tanisha,
एक ही हाथ
Tanya
Highest what?
in university.
highest what?
Acha.
I think this is a pretty obvious answer.
टॉपर कौन है?
Exactly.
Arey, who's the most hushar?
Acha, oh.
Oh, you know, so.
Arey, mine is not seen.
Are you
Yeah.
mad?
I think you're too sincere in life.
Okay. Have you not seen Sneha and Ananya like ever?
Can I write my name? I'm gonna write my name.
Ira kuto daddy kahi.
Ira तर युनिव्हर्सिटीला जाणार का नाही ते पण माहित नाही.
किती बसल्या चालत होतं फ्लेम.
Re, shut up, Re.
One eternity later.
झाला दर्श काढते आता.
Yeah, is not going to talk.
झालं.
झालं तर.
Next question.
Who's most likely to get tortured among your own group?
This is so easy. This is like so easy. Like
Okay.
Ananya didn't hear the question. Wait. Ananya didn't hear the question.
अनन्या प्रॉपर रोबोट जैसे साउंड कर रही है.
Who's most likely to get tortured among us?
Wait, I'm gonna change my answer.
1,
Sanya.
2, 3.
Dash को कम. अच्छा.
Darsh doesn't get bullied.
Who wrote my name?
Tanisha.
कौन हो?
So Tanisha and Ira win.
Yeah.
Win नहीं. हाँ मतलब win in the game.
Yeah, I did it.
in your life
You're
is
losing
sad.
life.
हाँ ना
Yeah,
life.
you lose in life. Exactly.
Shut up.
यहाँ पे जीतो खुश रहो. उतना ही मिलेगा.
तू गप रे.
Who's most likely to fall on stage during one of our shows?
Oh shit.
I know this because I have fallen.
they ask you how you are, and you just
I know
have to
this
say that
because
you're
I saw
fine
it.
when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No, but like who? This is confusing.
Everyone is like thoda clumsy only.
Not me, but like फिर भी.
YouTuber, हाँ.
Let's go.
Hey.
Everyone wrote Tanay.
Because he said he fell on
Okay,
stage.
fine, I
Okay.
get it.
Yeah,
Ananya.
that's what. Yeah, I don't. How do you increase that size, Ray?
उसको ऐसे करने का रहता है.
Pinch.
Acha.
Reverse pinch, हाँ.
I'm writing.
Likely to get punched in the face if this wasn't virtual.
Okay, fine. Just because.
Such an easy answer.
I'm writing something different only.
What are you writing? You have to write names, okay? Kusum, don't write some Mahabharata or something.
Ray, yaar.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Why me? Why me? Why?
Sneha, what the hell?
Why me?
You talk to everybody, okay?
Bully करते हैं मेरे को.
Wait, why me?
Tanya, even you torture people.
Or annoying.
There's तू रहने.
No, only you talk.
तू रहने.
Who's most likely to become a president?
Duh.
Not you.
It shouldn't be Tanisha at least, man. Then again she'll say, "Hey guys."
The COVID pandemic चालू and then she'll be like, hey,
Okay, done.
you're on your way. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll vlog my way, okay? It was so fake.
Okay,
बात
ready?
के बाद YouTube channel.
Done.
Done.
Done क्या?
हाँ.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's Ananya only.
Why Ananya?
Ananya.
Come on.
I'm a much better
Self-obsessed
president.
you are, Tanya.
I would be a very good president.
Very political.
निकालो रे सानिया को मीटिंग से. क्या है इसका?
एक गप रे.
Who's most likely to get married first?
Oh my
To
god.
get married first.
Yeah.
100% not me. Marriage
Yeah,
is not
she
our
good
thing.
for everyone. Nah.
We don't get married. We don't do that here.
This is too easy.
Who?
I did.
I don't
No,
know.
I don't.
I don't know.
Who's as a
It's a
sajjan
very
and who's
random
as
answer.
very...
Sneha, I will slap you. Darsh, oh my god.
Who all were there?
Yeah, Tanisha got the idea. None
Neha
of
and
us.
Ira.
It's
Many people think it's Hira.
What era?
Who is most likely to die single?
Okay, sure.
हाँ. Nisho.
Sane frozen for me.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Same.
same.
I don't know.
I think it's Tanya.
Tanisha, shut up.
What did Kusum write?
I wrote, I don't know.
I don't know nobody.
Okay, fine. Who is most likely to burn down a house? For no reason.
For no reason. Time pass
For no
के लिए.
reason. हाँ, बस time pass के लिए who's most likely to burn down a house?
Wait, is it just me or is like Darsh frozen?
Yeah, he is.
No.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, he was just very still.
Who will burn down the house for no reason?
Radhe, Radhe.
अरे internet is unstable यार. What's the question?
A bot?
Who is most likely to burn down a house?
For no reason.
Yeah.
ये क्या?
Tanisha for vlog. Tanisha for vlog.
Who is
Okay,
most likely? Who is most likely to be a buzzkill?
Oh, buzzkill.
Yeah.
I think we all know
I'm
the
writing
answer.
हाँ ना.
I don't want to say it.
This is sad.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Ananya.
Okay, Sneha, I am
She
going to
didn't even
hunt you
answer.
down and
She
kill
didn't
you.
even answer.
Why?
Okay, you did.
And I see it. Okay,
Kusum, you
shut
know,
up.
galti. This is this video.
That's
na.
just mean.
It's fine now.
Who is most likely to drop out of college?
Who's dumb?
You.
Anisha. What
Okay,
question was that?
YouTube channel किसका है?
That's
Yeah.
it.
That doesn't mean I could drop out of college.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying YouTube channel किसका है?
She'll just go there to vlog.
I'm in my college.
Hi guys.
I'm at my gate.
Guys,
I'm not
I'm like,
allowed.
What's my
college.
college?
I'm not allowed
Finish
here.
for a week.
No, I swear, don't write my name. Okay.
Triggered.
Okay, now I have to kind of.
Sure.
Shira. Hashtag YouTube.
Who is most likely to marry someone for money?
Oh, this is like block
Oh my
letters.
god.
Shit.
I'm ready. I'm going to show my answer.
We know what the answer is. Huh?
Everyone has written that only.
Oh, I haven't written shit.
Why?
Why Sneha? Why
has
Sneha? Sneha has money. Someone will marry her for money.
Double income, bro. Who's most likely to take longer to understand a joke? Let's go.
Oh,
Hey, no, yaar.
Oh my god.
You know that. You can't deny that.
Arey, my net is so kharab. My net is kharab. My Wi-Fi is kharab. I don't know what to do.
That's why she'll marry rich guy. That's why you'll marry rich guy.
Exactly.
Who's most likely to get arrested?
Who's what?
Arrested.
To get arrested. The fuck? Do you know why I wrote Sneha? Do you know why I wrote Sneha?
Why Sneha?
Black money.
Me?
Why?
but she can just bribe
अरे
the people.
but हाँ
Oh, हाँ.
she get bailed रे उसको मतलब उधर ही वो डायरेक्ट रिक्वेस्ट
Just drive me cop.
Hey, do you all realize I am studying to become a lawyer? तो मैं क्यों करूँगी ये सब shit?
fraud करेगी.
Very dumb answer this was.
Next.
Who's most likely to do embarrassing things in public?
Who's most likely? No, they do already.
Oh, shit.
Wait, things that embarrass others or things that embarrass you?
Embarrass you.
Like,
Most likely to do embarrassing things.
Like vlogs and stuff.
hey, wait, what? Like the group gets embarrassed or we get embarrassed? I don't understand.
Everybody.
Like,
Acha, everybody.
yeah.
The behavior we do
तो
at
आप भी हो रहा है
is
फिर.
not that only.
Acha, okay.
I have to.
Okay, let's go.
Everybody.
You are talking to Riddhi.
Wait.
That was so bad. That was terrible. Ew.
she showed attitude, na? That did.
I
too
got
much
my
attitude.
flashback, bro. Ouch.
No, I was telling that Ira, mat ja,
She
baat
didn't.
karne ko, mat ja. She only like, hi Riddhi, what are you doing? Everything is good.
She did a literal eye roll, and I was like, okay, you failed, but okay.
I
fine.
told you not to be so polite. सीखते जा लोगों से.
But our luck was like too bad only. Like we had to meet her only that day. Like I don't understand.
Same time, same place.
That's what.
Of the places she had to come there.
This Ira only
Universe
told
is
her.
shit.
Ira only told her कि हम लोग इधर मिल रहे हैं तो join हो.
I bet.
I have better things to do in life.
मेरा traitor.
Next study for 12th.
Ooh.
दिख रहा how much you're studying. Look at that Shruti.
I will slap you.
Who's most likely to make a who's most likely to have their own reality TV show?
अरे
God.
Why Tanisha? I can make a better reality TV show, okay?
Sania plus Sneha plus Kusum plus Ira plus Tanisha.
Okay.
बस हम दोनों
All of us.
अरे हमारा हम सिर्फ
All
सब्सक्राइबर
of them featuring in the one reality TV show.
We'll
Oh,
say
God.
we'll make it keeping up with the drama kids or
Do
something.
that.
चलो
Hey,
बाय
ask me
Thank
other
you guys.
questions. What was
Please
the other
subscribe
question?
to my channel.
Yeah,
What was the
like,
other
share,
question?
subscribe, guys.
press the red button
Drop a
down
comment
below.
Report the
below.
channel for
Drop
child
a
abuse.
comment below.
Report for child abuse.
Hey guys, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Special thank you to all of you guys, Sanya, Darsh, Ira, Tanay, Ananya, Sneha, Kusum, for doing this with me. I have mentioned their Insta handles in the description below. Go check their accounts. And also, before we go, I wanted to clear something out. There's someone who created a fake account and is claiming to be me. I got these few messages here, so I just wanted to clear out that this account is not my account. It is a fake account. Someone created it. I know who created it, and I hope that person stops. And I tried getting some help from Instagram, but Instagram didn't help me out here yet. So hopefully in the future. But this is the original account. This is my account. This is the account I use. This is not me. This is me. So I just wanted to clear that out. Okay, cool. We are done here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram for more updates. I'll be posting everything there as well. Short videos and stuff. So okay. Bye.
Lift me from the ground.